Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, alhamdulillah, wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah. I want to share with you, brothers and sisters, a hadith that's collected by Imam al-Bukhari. The narrator of the hadith is Anas ibn Malik, may Allah be pleased with him, who said, we were sitting in the masjid with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and a man came up, just a stranger who was not a Muslim. He came up on his camel. He got off of his camel, made his camel lay down, and then he came and he said, who is Muhammad? He didn't know about the religion. He didn't know what the Quran was. He didn't know what the Sunnah was. He didn't know who the Messenger of Allah was, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He said, who is Muhammad? They say, you see the one over there, he looks like this, go, that's him. So the man went over. And he said to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, actually he asked, who is the son of Abdul Muttalib? He didn't say Muhammad. He didn't call him by his name. He said, who is the son of Abdullah ibn Muttalib? They said, that's him right over here. The man came. He said, yeah, son of Abdul Muttalib, I'm going to ask you a few questions. I'm going to be tough with you. So don't get angry. Rasulullah told the man, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the way the Muslim is, gentle and easy. He didn't get mad at him and say, I'm gonna punch in your face talking to me like that. He was in Jahiliyyah. You don't want people talking to him like that. He was gentle and easy. Someone's coming wanting to know about Islam. The Nabi said, ask me whatever you want to ask me. The man said, Allah, did Allah send you the same way he sent the previous prophets and messengers like Abraham, Musa, Jesus, Isaac, Ishmael? Did Allah send you the way he sent them? The Prophet said, Allahumma na'am. He just didn't say na'am. He said, Allahumma na'am, Allah. Then the man said, Allahu amarna bihadha salah. Did Allah order you to do this prayer that we just made just now as a community? Did Allah tell you to do that? He said, Allahumma na'am. He said, did Allah order you to fast in the blessed month of Ramadan? He said, Allahumma na'am. Allah ordered me to do that. He said, did Allah order you to tell the people to give zakat? And he switched zakat and Ramadan. Zakat comes before Ramadan. So it is the Shahadatain, Salat, Zakat, then Ramadan. Did Allah order you to do this zakat? He said, Allahumma na'am. The man said, then I want you to bear witness, Muhammad, that I believe in everything that you brought. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. The man, radiallahu anhu, said, I am Imam ibn Tha'lab, to let everybody know who I am. I came here and I am the Imam ibn Tha'lab. I'm not a chump, I'm not scared, I'm not a punk, I don't care who knows that I'm a Muslim. I came here out of conviction and belief. And he became a Muslim. Rasulullah never gave him da'wah, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, prior to that, but he was nice and gentle. I share that with you, brothers, to tell you that the religion of Islam is going to spread, with us or without us. But we have to be like this Somali brother, Abdullah, and bring people we know to the masjid who are interested in accepting Islam. And once they come to Islam, we got to help them. We have to help them individually to understand and practice their Islam. So I came into the masjid while you guys were praying, because we were in the studio and we missed 2 rakats, I think. And I came in and I saw my man sitting there, and I figured what the situation was. I came to shake his hand, he was sitting down. I made him stand up. And we gave the dabs and stuff like that. He knew what time it was. He didn't miss a beat. And then we hugged. And now he's sitting here. His name is Daniel. And Daniel's going to repeat after me, inshallah. And after he says what he says, he's going to be a Muslim. I asked him, Daniel, are you nervous? Nothing to be nervous about. He said, not as much as I thought. I said, there's nothing to be nervous about at all. You amongst brothers, man. Look at this audience right here. Look at the faces, the colors. Look at the disposition. We're from you and you're from us. But now that you're going to make this step, Daniel, we don't want you sitting down when Muslims are praying. We want you to take this prayer and this religion very seriously. So you're going to repeat after me, my man Daniel, okay? You're going to say,
I bear witness that there is no God worthy of worship except Allah. I bear witness. Me, Daniel, bear witness that there is no God worthy of worship except Allah. And I bear witness that Muhammad, the son of Abdullah, and his prophet and his messenger, and I bear witness that the paradise is true, that the hellfire is true, and I, Daniel, bear witness that Jesus is the son of Maryam and the spirit that was sent to Allah, but just a prophet and a messenger.
So with that, Daniel, Big D, you're a Muslim right now, just like that, easy, just like that. From this point on, you're our brother, we're your brothers. This Masjid Rahmah, with this administration, we're here to help your brother to grow from strength to strength and to practice your religion. We're not going to tell you, don't go to this masjid, that masjid, and it leads. We're not going to tell you that, but we are going to tell you, when you come here, we're going to make you feel at home. You're going to be on balance this night, inshallah. Come give your brother, Daniel, love. Daniel. Oh, I'm a touch for Hey, let that man know your names while you give him salams. We don't want him not knowing who we are. My man. I appreciate it.